Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am unboxing my June premium box. I forgot what month we're in. I haven't recorded in so long, but yeah, so I wanted to keep it very simple. I really didn't do anything with my face. I haven't really worn makeup in forever since it's so hot outside, but this is what I came up with. It's like I said, it's just really simple. I just threw on some lashes and some gloss and that was basically it. So this month's theme is the Oasis. So the first thing that I got is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. It's moisturizing and firming. Everybody talks about Glow Recipe. Everybody loves Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. It is awesome. It's a good skincare brand. So I got this, and this retails for $49, which is pretty expensive, but their skincare is amazing. So this is what it looks like. I didn't use it in today's video because I got two skincare things, so I decided to go with the other one that I got. But this is, you can use this, actually it says that you can use it as a restoring sleeping mask or a wash off mask, so which is awesome. I did smell it and it does not smell like avocados, so don't worry if you think it's gonna smell like avocados and your face is gonna smell like avocados. I don't think so, but that's what it looks like. It is awesome. So I can't wait to use this as a sleeping mask to see how well it would work for my skin. I did also get this, which I was actually super excited because I'm always looking for bronzers or contour palettes or just a bunch of different things that I could try that I like, and it's actually high-end, so I can't say no to that. This is a Too Faced Coca Contour Palette. I don't remember if I picked this, if this was one of the things that I picked. Probably, I don't remember, but this retails for $44. It does come with a decent sized mirror, and then these are all these shades. I totally forgot it had shades for under your eyes where you can bake. I totally forgot to use them, but I did only end up using the light contour to contour with today. Hopefully in another video I can use the lighter shades at the top, but I only use this one and I liked it. I like the way it gave me my contour. This actually does smell like coca. It actually smells really good, so I'm super excited or super happy with this palette right here. I also got this is the NARS Power Lip Pigment in the color You're No Good. I have gotten one of these before in the past. This does retail for $26, but I actually think I'm gonna give this to my sister just because I don't wear shades like this, and my sister's more like the bolder side of us. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a pretty red, but honestly it's like a deep I don't know, cherry bomb kind of color. It's super dark, but that's something that I probably will not wear, so I'm gonna give this to her. Their lip pigments are actually really good and really colorful, as you can see. The next thing I got is these Grace and Stella face masks. They're anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. This is what they look like. These are super huge, and these are $25 and you get 6 of them. So I did use one today. They're actually pretty big. For some reason they're really weird, like the mouth opening is really small and so are the eye opening. So they look like this. They're pretty big. They do have enough liquid in them to keep them moist, but like I was saying, you see how small the eye openings are and the mouth opening is. It's really weird, but it worked. You're supposed to leave these on for 15 to 20 minutes. It worked really nice. My skin did feel hydrated, did feel a little bit glowy, but that was really it. I mean, this is a really big face mask, but they're really nice face masks. And then the next thing I got was this, and I was super surprised at this because it's only 2 brushes, but they're that expensive, and I was like, whoa. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is Baddington. This is what it looks like, and these retail for $90 for 2 brushes, and I was taken back by it a little bit. So these are the 2 brushes that came in that little set. It doesn't say, oh yes it does. So this is the powder brush, which is the one I used to put powder under my eyes, or to clean off the powder under my eyes and then to put powder on the rest of my face. I actually like it. They do feel really heavy, so they're really nice and easy to work with. The other one is the contour foundation brush. I also wanted to make sure I said the right name. So this one is a little bit more dense, so it is probably good for foundation. I did use it for my contour today, which was a little bit stiff, so I would agree like with this, saying that it is for foundation, because for my contour wasn't really like, I don't know, movable like this one was, where it's less like dense. It's more easy flowing to, you know, set your face. This one's a little bit more dense, so you gotta like really work it in there. So yeah, but these are nice brushes. But oh my god, $90 for these two is kind of crazy, kind of like blew my mind. And then the last thing I got was this. This is also something I didn't use today because my hair is dry, it's not wet. I already have like 2 other leave-in conditioners open, so this will eventually get used because I do like to use leave-in conditioners. This is the Living Proof Restore Repair Leave-In. This retails for $30. I have heard so many good things about Living Proof. Some people say their hair care is good, some people say it's not. Like, they're just in the middle on it, and they're like, they kind of really don't know. But I'm always super excited to try a new leave-in conditioner, so why not? So the total of my box was $264 for everything that I got, which I think is not that bad. I do wish I could have gotten like a little bit more makeup products and skincare products, or just like a little bit even of both, but that is okay. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I know it was really simple, but I haven't put on any makeup recently, so I will be coming back with more looks and tutorials for you guys. Please don't forget to comment any video requests down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. And don't forget to give this video a like if you did enjoy it. And without further ado, let's just get on to the demo.
Minutes later.
I'm yours. With you. I'm yours. With you. I'm yours.